Alright, let's start with the ingredients for our marinated chicken. You'll need 300 grams of boneless chicken thighs, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of salt, or to taste. Then, add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of paprika powder. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of fenugreek, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Finally, you'll need 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Now let's move on to the ingredients for scrambled eggs. You'll need 4 eggs, salt to taste, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Next up, here are the ingredients for fried rice. Start with 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, and 2 to 3 chopped green chilies. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped green onion and a 1/4 cup of chopped onion. Then mix in half a cup of chopped carrots, 1/3 of a cup of sweet corn, and 1 cup of chopped bell pepper. You'll also need 1 cup of chopped cabbage and 1½ cups of soaked and boiled basmati rice. For the sauces, add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce. Finally, season with salt to taste and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder.